Imagine a backyard where wooden fences, vibrant flower beds, and a quaint vegetable garden come together to create a picturesque farmhouse setting. Today, we're taking you on a tour of a farmhouse backyard garden that embodies the essence of rural charm. Welcome to Green Home Living. A quaint stone pathway winds through this farmhouse backyard garden, lined with blooming flowers and herbs. The classic farmhouse with a wraparound porch adds to the garden's enchanting atmosphere. A cozy farmhouse boasts a backyard garden complete with a quaint chicken coop, flowering shrubs, and a gravel pathway. The combination of practical and aesthetic elements creates a warm and welcoming environment. A picturesque farmhouse backyard garden showcases a DIY palette planter filled with beds of herbs and vegetables. A gravel pathway winds through the garden, adding a touch of rustic charm and creativity. In this farmhouse backyard garden, a birdbath is surrounded by flowering bushes and a wooden swing. The charming farmhouse visible through the trees adds to the garden's serene and welcoming ambiance. A farmhouse with a rustic backyard garden features a stone fire pit surrounded by wooden benches. Lanterns hanging from trees cast a warm glow, making it an ideal spot for evening gatherings under the stars. A farmhouse backyard garden with a white picket fence frames a serene and inviting space. Lush flower beds line a stone pathway, guiding visitors to a rustic wooden porch where they can relax and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. Thank you for watching our farmhouse backyard garden tour. We hope it has given you plenty of ideas for your own outdoor space. Like, comment, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!